Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Tome app for presentations. Tome is an innovative, artificial intelligence-powered tool designed to help you craft compelling presentations with ease. To begin, simply sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Once inside, you can choose from a variety of pre-designed templates or opt to start your presentation from a blank canvas, giving you complete creative control from the very first step. Tome's most powerful feature is its artificial intelligence, which can significantly speed up your content creation process. You can leverage the AI to generate text, suggest relevant images, and even propose entire slide layouts based on your input. Just provide a clear and concise prompt detailing your presentation's topic and what you want to convey. The AI will then offer several creative variations, giving you the flexibility to choose the perfect elements for your story. Once your initial content is generated, Tome makes customization incredibly straightforward. You can easily drag and drop various elements, such as text blocks, images, and videos, directly onto your slides. Personalize your presentation by adjusting fonts, colors, and backgrounds to perfectly align with your brand or individual aesthetic. Furthermore, Tome supports real-time collaboration, allowing you to invite team members to share feedback and make edits together, streamlining your workflow. When your presentation is polished and ready, Tome offers several convenient ways to share your work. You can present directly from the app, providing a seamless and engaging full-screen experience for your audience. For easy distribution, simply share a unique link to your Tome, allowing anyone to view it on virtually any device. Additionally, you have the option to export your entire presentation as a PDF document for offline viewing or broader distribution, ensuring your message reaches everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.